Everybody thinks cooking is just about being a chef, but it's so much more. My mother, grandmother, great-grandmother, they were all cooks, and it's just something that came really naturally to me. I started washing dishes and started helping and started cooking, and it just progressed from there. Never thought I would do anything else, had a natural love for it. My name's Alex McIntosh. I'm a chef, and I work at Sou West Brewery in Torquay. Managing and working with people and leading a team is something that's very rewarding. When we built the kitchen at Sou West Brewery, we had to use Moffat. Waldorf has the equipment that I use every day in the kitchen, solid, reliable, and made almost locally in New Zealand. Convotherm is the pinnacle of German engineering. It's so easy to use and so precise. To be able to make great food, we need to have Waldorf, we need to have Convotherm. It's the backbone of the kitchen. It has to be reliable, and it has to work every time. My approach to cooking is very simplistic. I've been lucky enough to work in lots of different places where I get to take lots of different approaches. I like to always challenge myself and do something new and learn and develop, all while showcasing really good quality produce from the area that I'm working in. The journey for the Bocuse store for me has been a long one. This year, I'm privileged enough to win the national cook-off. To win the Australian component of the competition was a bit surreal. It took a while to sink in. Now I have the honor of representing Australia at the Asia Pacific qualifying and hopefully in Lyon, France in 2023. Moffat have been incredible in their support of me, the day-to-day running of the brewery, but also as a support on my journey to represent Australia in the Bocuse store. It's the whole experience. To challenge myself and to inspire my kids, to show them that if there's something that you want to do, if you put in the hard work and the effort, you will get there.